Hi everyone, David here. Today, I'm thrilled to guide you through a powerful technique that allows you to transcribe audio and video files into text for free without any limitations. In this tutorial, I'm excited to introduce you to Whisper, a remarkable machine learning model for speech recognition and transcription developed by OpenAI, the mastermind behind ChatGPT. The best part? It's entirely free and it supports an impressive 99 languages, providing you with the capability to transcribe audio or video content in multiple languages. Now, traditionally, you might install such tools on your computer. However, recognizing that not everyone has a high-powered setup, I've devised a method that sidesteps the need for installation. Instead, we'll leverage Google Colaboratory within your Google Drive account. This approach enables you to write and execute code directly in your browser, whether you're on your personal computer, a friend's device, or even at work, all without burdening the computer with additional installations. Let's kick things off by opening Google Drive. A Gmail account is all you need, and it's free. Navigate to New, then click on More, followed by Connect More Apps. Search for the app we're looking for, in this case, Colaboratory. Select the first result and hit Install. After confirming, sign in with your Google account, and voila, it's installed. Close the Marketplace window, open Google Colaboratory again, and let's dive into the next steps. For those keen on following along, I'll conduct a live demo, transcribing both an audio and a video file. Start by double-clicking on Untitled to rename your file, but ensure you retain the extension. Click on Runtime and select Change Runtime Type. Switch the hardware accelerator from CPU to T4 GPU and save the changes. Now, to make this work seamlessly, we need to install both Whisper AI and FFmpeg. Remember, this isn't a local installation, but a setup within Google Colab. It may seem intricate, but fear not. Simply follow these steps, and you'll witness how effortlessly it comes together. I've included the specific code needed for this process in the video description below. Simply navigate the description, copy the provided code, and paste it into this field. Once that's done, click Run Cell, using the icon here to execute the code. This action will initiate the installation of both Whisper and FFmpeg, a process that typically takes just a few minutes. As you can see from my demonstration, the installation wrapped up in approximately 27 seconds. With the installation complete, we're now set to upload our audio or video file. On the left, locate and click on the folder icon. Drag and drop your file into the designated section. A warning will appear, reminding you to save your files locally, since the runtime files will be deleted upon session termination. Remember, once the transcription is finished and your Google Colab session ends, the uploaded file will be erased. To extract the text, click on Code and insert the provided code, also available in the description. Replace the placeholder with your exact file name, including spaces and the extension. For instance, in my case, it was sample1.mp3. Click Run Cell, and the extraction process will commence. The system automatically identifies the language and provides a flawless transcription with accurate punctuation, capitalization, and even timestamps. In my initial demonstration, a 1-minute, 36-second file took approximately 58 seconds to transcribe. Once the transcription is complete, you'll find several download options on the side, including a .srt file for subtitles and a .txt file. If these options don't appear immediately, click on the refresh icon. To download any of these files, try the .txt one first. Hover over it, click on the icon, and then select Download. Repeat the same process for the subtitle file. Let's examine the results. The .txt file showcases an exceptional transcription with perfect punctuation, correct sentence breaks, and proper hyphen usage. Opening the .srt file reveals well-formatted captions suitable for uploading to platforms like YouTube. Now, let's transition to transcribing a video file. Drag and drop your video file on the left, and after the upload is complete, find it in the list. Click on Code. Paste the provided code from the description, replace your file name, and click Run Cell. In my demonstration, a 1-minute 36-second video file was transcribed in just 34 seconds, adding punctuation, capitalization, and more. After a brief wait, you can download the .txt or SRT file. This process is both rapid and efficient, allowing you to transcribe numerous files using the same method. Keep in mind that for each new session, you'll need to repeat the installation process, which takes approximately just 27 seconds for Whisper, in my case. Considering the speed of transcription compared to manual typing, the initial installation time is a worthwhile investment. I trust you found this tutorial valuable. Subscribe to the channel for more insightful videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Share your experiences with this method, and I look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial.